Yo, what is up, everyone? Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2026, and today we took two trades. We took two trades. One was a break-even trade, one we smashed take profit. It was pretty good. Not too much higher time frame bias in this. It was kind of just AMD on the smaller time frame and knew what was going on. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the trade recap. First off, when I was analyzing the charts, I looked in the 4 hour to start off. I usually do that whenever I just start analyzing. There was really nothing going on. Like, to be honest, like these candles looked like shit. Like, there's nothing going on. So instead of doing that, I went down to the lower time frame, and honestly, all I saw is that we had data high and data lows, right? Now, I was waiting for one of those to get hit, and then I was expecting the other side to get hit right away because that's usually just how data highs and lows work. I'm gonna get rid of ES. I don't really want that. So I was just waiting, and basically what happened during market open is we went higher and then we took out data highs. So this was fine because now I was like, okay, now I'm gonna look for shorts towards data lows because that's just our immediate draw. We also had this AMD, so I'm expecting price to break out, manipulate everyone that's maybe in longs here after data highs were taken, and then dump to data lows and probably even lower because we have all this low resistance liquidity down here, right? Or not low resistance, but just like a lot of lows. So basically, what happened is we went higher, and I think it was this 1 minute that I took. I hate that when I switch time frames, it takes me to a random spot. Like, I don't care. Just keep me on. No, I don't want to leave. Okay, yeah, it was the 1 minute. So, okay, I'm gonna try to not switch much time frames. Anyway, it was this 1 minute short that we ended up taking. So right here, I had stops about here. It was just a quick 1-to-1 right to data lows. And I went break even. Like, I didn't really have a proper break even spot. I was like maybe like break even like literally all the way like down here. Like once we got here, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go break even. Really didn't want to see price go all the way back up. Like that would make no sense. And guess what happened? We just edged data lows basically, went back up and got break even. So that trade was gone. I'm like, okay, that sucks. I don't know how data lows didn't get taken, but it's fine. I'm like, okay, let's just wait. Let's just wait for something else, something more textbook. Um, I wasn't I didn't really care to take longs. Like I was kind of leaning a little bit more bullish too. And we had this 2 minute inversion long. Now in the live, I said it very specifically. I'm like, if we get this 2 minute inversion, I'm not gonna take this long, because there was just like, first of all, when we came down, we left data lows. ES also didn't take data lows, and there's all this liquidity that we could definitely just take before going higher, right? This was in a 15-minute internal low too. So that was a very key spot I was looking at for us to go higher. We ended up getting this 2 minute inversion, and yeah, we did take out my draw, which sucked. But I mean, to be honest, like I'm not gonna take that trade. We didn't take out the low blow. There wasn't a proper sweep. Sure, we took out all these lows down here for the low resistance, but there's a high, like there's a data low down here. I want to get taken before price to move higher. So that's why I faded that 2 minute. Didn't take it. As soon as we went back up, we hit the 930 high. Um, we did not have an SMT, but it was just like, what's it called? It was like the resweep again, and then we have data lows below and relative equal lows. So then waited for the first time frame inversion. Saw we got a 2 minute fair value gap that we inverse. So we entered right off the inverse. Just waited, had my stops like relatively at the high or the body close, and then targeted data lows. It was a quick and easy 1 to 2 or 1 to 9.3 R. And yeah, that was the day. Uh, Nothing really complicated. It was a lot of just AMD, and then AMD twice, I guess. Like we didn't take out the draws, so once we go higher, like yeah, I'm okay to get into the position again. Um, and yeah, that was kind of the trade recap for today. Not too crazy, just it was clear when we hit the 930 high again. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take it. But yeah, that's kind of it. We're gonna try to do more of these. I think Drew said he's gonna start his Asia trade recap, so that'll be nice. But yeah, for now, that was it for today.